Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be unboxing a 112 scale diecast motorcycle replica of the Royal Enfield Classic 350 Stealth Black Edition, which is manufactured by Maisto. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, I want to let you know that the world-renowned motorcycle brand Royal Enfield has once again collaborated with one of the top diecast manufacturers, Maisto, to come up with a fleet of 4 diecast variants of Royal Enfield's most recently released motorcycles. For 2022, Royal Enfield along with Maisto released the Royal Enfield Classic 350 in 4 trademark color variations in the 112 scale. And today we're going to take a look at a highly detailed licensed 112 scale diecast replica of the Royal Enfield Classic 350 Stealth Black variant. And although I've unboxed every 112 scale RE variant that was released so far, I'm still excited about this one as this licensed replica looks simply elegant, amazing and unique. And I'm in awe every time I unbox one of these. So before we get to the good stuff, let's take a closer look at the boxing and get this thing open. So, to begin with, my first thoughts about this Royal Enfield Classic 350 Stealth Black variant diecast replica is that it looks quite premium and has a good build quality and also has quite a bit of intricate detailing like its real life counterpart. And by the looks of it, this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it a premium looking replica. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this model measures in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at about 130 grams, which are standard 112 scale diecast motorcycle specs. This model comes with the Royal Enfield trademark Stealth Black paint scheme with red pinstripes and Royal Enfield's signature branding details, and also has a kickstand for display, excellent rear suspension, and free rolling wheels, which makes it functional, and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a licensed authentic collectible. Overall, I'm happy that I made a choice to get this variant of the Royal Enfield Classic, and I'm thrilled to add it to my 112 scale Royal Enfield collection. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the features and functionality of this amazing 112 scale Royal Enfield Classic diecast replica. And please do let me know as to what are your favorite features regarding this awesome diecast replica in the description below. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and make a side-by-side comparison of this classic 350 Stealth Black variant alongside the classic 500 black variant, of which I did an exclusive unbox and review video a while ago, and I'll drop the link to it in the description below, so go check it out if you're interested, and please do let me know as to which one of these Royal Enfield Classic diecast variants are your favorite in the comments below. So let's go ahead and take a look. Well, by the looks of it, all I can say is that these are beautiful and well-detailed diecast replicas and are unique in their own way. And I'm glad that I got this Royal Enfield Stealth Black variant to add to my 1/12 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Royal Enfield enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the best buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. And with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Royal Enfield Classic replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this amazing Royal Enfield diecast motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. And with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Royal Enfield Classic 350 coming up. Made like a gun, goes like a bullet is the motto of Royal Enfield, and so is this old school post-war design built around an engine that you can count on. That's classic. The machine that bears on simple pleasures of motorcycling while being dependable enough to ride through any terrain. In it, the tradition of an iconic past exists in harmony with modern technology. Timeless, looking through tomorrow, the Classic 350 motorcycle is a part of Royal Enfield's Retro Street series. The bike sports retro styling and distinguishes itself from the rest of the motorcycles on the road today. The Classic range is the highest selling motorcycle in Royal Enfield's range. Royal Enfield Classic 350 and Classic 500 are models of Royal Enfield's motorcycles which have been in production since 2009. Both the Classic 350 and the Classic 500 feature the new unit construction engine in their 350cc and 500cc variants respectively. Both of these models are more expensive and targeted at a market segment above the Royal Enfield Bullet 350 and the Bullet 500. Both the Classic 350 and the Classic 500 come in a variety of color options. And for further information about Royal Enfield and the recently released Royal Enfield variants and their features and specifications, kindly check the links in the description below. And in case you're interested, and just so you know, I got this amazing Royal Enfield Classic 350 diecast replica for a really good price from Hobbytoys, which is one of India's top diecast retailers, of which I dropped the best buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself or your loved ones this amazing and one-of-a-kind Royal Enfield diecast replica, and also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing classic Royal Enfield replica. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my D-Nation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support D-Nation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.